In recent years, the small Bangalore village of Gejjagadahalli has experienced remarkable expansion and development. The need for trustworthy and precise land surveyors in the area has increased as the number of construction projects has increased. When it comes to land surveyors, Gejjagadahalli might not have many options, but adjacent communities like Kamasandra have a number of skilled experts that can offer top-notch services. Any building project must include land surveying since it helps determine a piece of land's limits and measurements. Projects may experience delays, legal issues, and even safety risks in the absence of precise land surveys. Fortunately, land surveyors in Kamasandra are prepared to meet the expectations of the Gejjagadahalli construction business. To deliver accurate measurements and thorough reports, they make use of cutting-edge equipment and methods. Additionally, they have a thorough understanding of local rules and regulations, which is crucial for guaranteeing that initiatives meet all prerequisites. In conclusion, even though there may not be many land surveyors in the immediate vicinity of Gejjagadahalli, adjacent communities like Kamasandra are home to a large number of seasoned experts who can offer trustworthy services. It's crucial to find a land surveyor for your project who has the qualifications and experience essential to make sure it's successful. You may establish the groundwork for a risk-free and productive construction project with the aid of a competent land surveyor. Gejjagadahalli, a neighborhood in Bangalore, is quickly growing and needs precise and accurate land surveying services. There are many experts in the field offering their services in Gejjagadahalli, where there is a growing need for trustworthy land surveyors. The finest land surveyors in the region, who have years of experience and are experts at offering clients top-notch land surveying services, are among these individuals. Kamasandra Land Surveyors is one of the most sought-after land surveyors in Gejjagadahalli. Their staff of experts is very informed and skilled, and they use cutting-edge tools and technology to get precise outcomes. They provide several different land surveying services, such as construction surveys, topographic surveys, and boundary surveys. SCON Digital Land Surveyors is another prominent land surveyor in Gejjagadahalli. They are a reputable company that has long served customers by offering land surveying services. They employ cutting-edge technology and a highly skilled and knowledgeable staff to get precise results. They provide a variety of land surveying services, such as subdivision surveys, boundary surveys, and topographic surveys. In conclusion, Gejjagadahalli in Bangalore is home to a number of reputable land surveyors who offer top-notch services to clients. These experts use cutting-edge tools and technology, together with their extensive training and expertise, to produce precise results. A professional with a track record of offering high-caliber services at competitive prices should be chosen while seeking for a reputable land surveyor in the area. There are numerous possibilities available if you're looking for private land surveyors in Bangalore's Gejjagadahalli neighborhood. Kamasandra, Bangalore.